The death of digital marketing. What AI changes in 2026? Imagine this. It is 2026. You enter your office, your boss opens one AI tool on the screen. In a few seconds, that AI writes your ad copy, makes creative ideas, sets the budget, and launches the full campaign. Then your boss turns to you and says, if AI can do all this, why do I need a digital market? A scary thought, right? Reports say AI and automation could replace tens of millions of jobs globally by the mid 2020s, and we are there. Some CEOs even warn that up to half of entry level white collar jobs could disappear in the next few years. So, today we are talking about exactly this fear. Will AI replace digital marketers? Is this the death of digital marketing or the beginning of a new version? Stay with me till the end because I will give clear guidance for students, working professionals, and entrepreneurs. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vijay Prakash Anand, and you are watching Marketing by Vijay. Today's topic is very close to what many people are thinking. Sir, will AI take my job? Is there any future in marketing now? This video is for students, digital marketers, social media managers, content writers, and entrepreneurs running businesses. We'll keep it very simple. What is AI doing to marketing right now? What work will AI take over? What work will still need you? And what should you do next? If you find topics like this useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with one of the friends who is confused about AI and careers. What is really happening? Let us first understand the big picture in simple words. AI is like a super fast assistant. It can read a lot of data, it can write text, it can make images and videos, it can do calculations and give suggestions. So, in marketing, AI is already doing things like writing social media posts, writing ad copy, suggestion keywords, giving basic reports. Because of this, many people think अब सब कुछ AI करेगा, human का क्या काम? But here is the important truth. AI is very good at doing tasks. It is not very good at understanding humans and business the way you can. Companies don't just need tasks, they need thinking, ideas, and judgments. So instead of asking, will AI kill digital marketing? We should ask, which parts of digital marketing will AI handle and which parts still need human intervention, human brain, and heart. Let us see that now. What work will AI take over? I want you to imagine your typical day as a digital marketer. You might be writing captions, making basic creatives on Canva, copy pasting reports, doing simple keyword research, scheduling posts. Now think honestly, how much of this is repetitive and rule based? That part is where AI will hit you first. Content writing. Basic level tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can write a 500 word blog, write 10 captions, give headline ideas. So if your full job is only, sir, I can write basic content on any topic, then yes, AI is the competition for you. Now, if I talk about social media and ads execution, AI can suggest audience targeting, test multiple ad copies, adjust budgets, create multiple versions of an ad. If you only know which button to click in Facebook Ad Manager or Google Ads, you are in the danger zone. Now let me talk about SEO and keyword stuff. AI tools can suggest keywords, plan content topics, write meta descriptions, give SEO friendly outlines. If your SEO work is only mechanical, without understanding the customer, AI will kill you. AI will slowly eat that part of your job. Now let us talk about reporting and PPTs. Earlier, many juniors spent hours downloading Excel sheets, making graphs, making PPTs. Now AI can make dashboards and summaries in minutes. It can make PPTs through Gamma. So basic data to chart to PPT work is also at risk. Simple summary. Repetitive work, AI will take a big chunk. Copy paste type work, AI will do it faster. So you are nowhere. Now let us talk about what AI cannot do. Now let us talk about the good news. There are some areas where AI is very weak and still far ahead. It's all about understanding real people. Think about different Indian customers. A small shop owner in Jaipur, a working mother in Mumbai, a first job youngster in Patna. Their emotions, fears, dreams, AI has never lived that life. So you can talk to them, observe them, feel what they are feeling. That human understanding is pure gold in marketing, and you can utilize that as a digital marketer. If I talk about strategy and positioning, AI can give you 20 campaign ideas, but which idea will fit your brand? Which message is right for your audience? Should you position your brand as budget or premium or youthful or trustworthy? That needs understanding of business, competition, culture, long term brand impact, and that you can only do. Now let us talk about storytelling. AI can write a script, but will that script actually touch people's heart? Like Favicol, Asian Paints, and other campaigns? Will it feel authentic or fake? You have sense of humor, you have emotional intelligence, you understand consumers, so you understand which reel your friends will laugh at and which one they will skip. That creativity is very hard to automate. Now let us talk about ethics and values. Should you run an ad that utilizes fear? Should you push something which is not good for people? How should you use consumer data? These are moral questions. No AI tool can take that responsibility. Now, what is the guide for a student? If you are a student and you love marketing, here is your simple game plan. Step 1, strengthen basics. Focus on basics like segmentation, targeting, positioning, consumer behavior, branding, pricing, distribution, promotion. Tools will change, but these basics will never die. These are forever. Step 2, learn AI as a tool, not as a threat. Use AI to get ideas, make first drafts, do quick research, practice writing and rewriting. Think of AI as your free junior intern. Let AI do the boring work and you do the thinking and improvement. Then you need to build small projects. Don't only collect certificates. Do small projects. Help a local business, promote your college fest, start a small Instagram page or a YouTube channel even. Use AI in the process and then tell employers, I have used AI tools plus my own strategy to get these results. That will stand out much more than just saying, I did a course in AI. Now there is a guide for working professionals. If you are already working in digital marketing domain, this part is for you. You need to first check your daily work. Take a pen and paper, write down your tasks for one full week. Mark R for repetitive work, H for high skill work like thinking, planning, creativity. Ask yourself, how can I use AI to finish my R tasks faster so I get time for H tasks, okay, which requires your creativity. Upgrade from doer to thinker. Instead of only saying, I run Facebook ads, start thinking and saying, I plan acquisition strategy using Facebook, Google Ads, influencers, WhatsApp, and use AI to execute and optimize. That one change in mindset will change your career path. Then learn one level deeper. If you are a content writer, learn brand strategy and distribution. If you are in performance marketing, understand profits, margins, LTV. If you are a social media manager, learn community building and collaborations. AI makes shallow skills cheap. Depth and understanding will make you valuable. Now let us talk about guide for entrepreneurs. If you are an entrepreneur or business owner, so AI is actually good news for you. AI as your mini marketing team. You can use AI to write product descriptions, suggest real ideas, draft WhatsApp messages, write emails, analyze basic numbers. All these can be done through AI. So even without a big team, you can start marketing. But don't give a strategy to AI. You must decide who is my main customer. What problem am I solving? Why should they choose me instead of my competitors? AI can help you express your answers, but it cannot find those answers for you. That's why you need to focus on trust and brand. People don't only buy product, they buy trust. Use AI to save time on routine work. Use that save time to talk to customers, improve your product, give better service. That is where long term success comes from, and that's where you should be. Now, let us talk about the final conclusion. Let us come back to the main question. Will AI replace digital marketers? Is this the death of digital marketing? My answer is very simple. Digital marketing is not dying. In fact, more businesses will come online, competition will increase, and good marketing will always prevail. It will always be very, very important. What is dying is lazy copy paste work. People who don't learn new tools, people who don't understand customers, people who only know button clicking without a strategy. If this video cleared your doubts, even a small bit, please like it, subscribe to Marketing by Vijay, and comment below one task in your work that you think AI can do for you. I will read your comments and maybe I will make another video showing AI tools for those exact tasks. This is Dr. Vijay Prakash Anand signing off. See you in the next video.